DB2/4 was an upgraded version of the original DB2, which was the first Aston Martin model to bear the iconic DB moniker. It was first produced in 1953 with the aim of creating an unrivaled Grand Tourer that combines both supreme comfort and performance by replacing the existing 2.6 litre engine with a 2.9 litre six-cylinder engine. This improved overall power to 180 brake horsepower had a top speed of 120 miles per hour. A total production number of 439 DB2/4 Mark I saloons were built. Known not only for its impeccable handling and level of comfort, not commonly found in any other sports car of the time, the DB2/4 had remarkable rally credentials, entering the Monte Carlo Rally in 1955 and taking the team to victory.